That's when it's cracking in the markets right now, and everybody. There's 4 sessions. The results are gonna be as serious as you take it. Even just a little bit of market analysis could go a long way. What it do, squad? We back. I know it's been a little minute, but it's Tuesday, January 6th. It's 1 o'clock right now. Not in the afternoon either. In the morning. In the morning. You know what I'm talking about? So, one of the most important things you can do as a trader is pre-market analysis. I personally trade the New York session, Cali time, anywhere from 6 to 1, 6 to 10 is most volatile. But since in between there is some overlap in the London session, I like to go start my pre-market analysis in the London session just to see how it's moving. Is it bullish? Is it bearish? I like to set major zones, so major highs and lows for that London session leading into the New York session, just to add more confirmations and confluences for us to take profits in the market. If you're not too familiar with the market hours, how long the market is open, what time to trade, what time is most volatile, there's a great site. I think it's BabyPips, the forex market time tracker. I'm gonna show y'all that right now. It's a great tool for you to use if you're just beginning and not too familiar with the markets. Alright, so as y'all can see, there's 4 sessions. There's Sydney, there's the Tokyo, there's the London, and there's the New York. Like I said previously, I trade the New York session, which you can see it tells you in the green it's closed until, if you come up here, till about 5 o'clock. Right now, what we just got out of was the Tokyo session at 1 o'clock in the morning, and that led us into what the London session was from. I think the London session starts at 12. The London session is taking us in and carrying us into that New York session. So as you can see, you have a few times in the market where the time frames do overlap, and naturally those are going to be more volatile times in the market. So this is just one of the tools that I use to ensure that I'm taking profits in the market. But man, one thing I could say, it's not for everybody, y'all. It's not for everybody. A lot of people want to be asleep at this time. A lot of people want to be outside partying, doing certain things at this time. You know what I'm saying? It takes a lot of effort and it takes a lot of energy. You gotta treat it like damn near a job. The results are gonna be as serious as you take it. So you're gonna get out what you put in. You know what I'm saying? The work that you put in, you're gonna get that back out. Make sure you putting your time in, man. Let's go. Another dope thing that it shows y'all the volatility in the market right here. I'm gonna zoom in. I don't know if y'all can see this, but look. Yeah, y'all should be able to see that. Trading volume is usually high at this time of day. So you can see in that London session, we just starting to peak into getting into this green. And in this New York session, when we mix in with the London session, that's when it's cracking in the markets right now and everybody is on. So naturally, you're gonna have your biggest chance to make profits. So remember, in this game, even just a little bit of market analysis could go a long way. I want to show y'all something I've been working on though before I get into this trading session. Look at this. So y'all see the signals I've been working on. I created this on my Discord from my confirmations and my indicators. See right here, GBP, bullish engulf on the 5-minute. Then you see the market context, double bottom and a clear channel. You come down right here, you can see GBP USD. That's the pair one right here.
as well as the double bottom that's set up, and you can really see the bull engulf right here. But if we go to the 5 minute, it's just that much more clear, as well as new resistance zone right here. So we getting what we want from the signals, man.
Now, if you want access to them signals, that's gonna cost you. But the Discord is free. That teaches you how to trade from top to bottom, lingo, loss management. It shows you my profits, and it shows you a few things that you're gonna get if you were to subscribe to the next tier. But I'm teaching you how to trade for free on top of the YouTube videos of the daily free game. And one of the last things I wanted to say about the signals in the Discord, the signals are like another confirmation. They're like another indicator. They're in addition to the strategy that I'm teaching. It's just automation letting you know that, hey, what you're looking for, it's here. It's here. It's here. And it's telling me what's there. And it's nothing more than that. It's not taking trades for you. It's not doing anything out of the ordinary that I haven't placed it to do to my strategies and my confluences. So if y'all like what y'all see, if y'all believe in the process, I know y'all see the results, go ahead and hop in that Discord, get you some of the free game. And if you want to subscribe to the next tier, feel free to. We're gonna level up that trade, and we're gonna teach you how to make it, to teach you to be a profitable trader, man. Day in and day out, through the wins, through the losses. You win some, you lose some, but you live. You live, man, to trade another day. So keep them accounts alive. Take them profits. Let's go.